Good morning, students. I am Ghanen Chaudhary from Gurukul Public School, Khairaligarh. This is the 8th video lecture for class 12th student. Your subject is chemistry and your chapter name is Hello Alkanes and Hello Arenes. Okay? We already discussed in previous lecture SN2 reaction. Okay, I further repeat some important point of SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction always complete in only one step, and rate of reaction depends on concentration of substrate and also nucleophile both. So this reaction is known as SN2 reaction. Okay. Another important point is always nucleophile attack the substrate opposite side from functional group. Okay. This reaction complete in only one step, and nucleophile attached with carbon atom and functional group remove from carbon atom and form a intermediate transition state. Okay, in the SN2 reaction. Okay, but today we discuss about SN1 reaction. Okay, generally SN1 reaction complete in two steps. Okay, the rate of reaction depends on only concentration of substrate, not nucleophile. Okay, so this reaction is known as unimolecular reaction or SN1 reaction. Okay, now we discuss about the SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. SN1 stands for unimolecular reaction when the rate of nucleophilic substitution reaction depends only on the concentration of the substrate, only substrate. Rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of substrate. Okay, the reaction is of first order change and is represented as SN1. So this reaction is known as SN1 reaction because rate of reaction only depend on concentration of substrate. Okay, rate directly proportional to substrate in SN1 reaction. Okay, next point, the hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide is an example of SN1 reaction. हम जिस एग्जाम्पल को लेके चलेंगे वो रहेगा हमारा टर्सरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड. ओके, द रिएक्शन कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू स्टेप्स. आई एम ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू SN1 reaction complete in two steps. Okay, first step is the substrate undergoes heterolytic fission forming carbocations. Firstly, substrate form carbocations. Okay, this is the slow process. This step is a slow and rate determining step. Okay, in this step we determine the rate of reaction because this step is slow, so we easily identify the rate of reaction. Okay, in the first step, substrate to form carbocations means carbon ions. Okay, just like see CH3C, CH3, CH3, Br. Name is tertiary butyl bromide. Bromine attached with tertiary carbon. Okay, why is butyl? Total number of carbon is 4. So it is known as tertiary butyl bromide. This is the slow step, and tertiary butyl bromide means substrate forming the carbocations means carbon ions. In this step, Br halogen group are removed from the alkyl group and alkyl group to form positive ions known as carbocations. Br negative is removed. Firstly, it form carbocations. Okay. Next one. The carbocation is planar as the central positively charged carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and it is a planar molecule. Okay. In the first step of SN1 reaction, substrates change into carbocations. After the formation of carbocations, nucleophile attack the substrate at both sides because they have no functional group. So nucleophile attack the both side, either one and either one also. Okay, but second step is a very fast. Okay, we discuss about the second step. Step second. The nucleophile like OH ions can attack the planar carbocation from either side to form tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, and the low concentration of OH ions favors the SN1 reaction. Clear? It is the carbocations of substrate attacking of nucleophile. This step is fast. So OH ions easily attached with carbocations. Okay, so either side, this side also this side. First one, see, OH linked with this side of carbon, and in this molecule OH linked with this side. Both are right. Okay, but in SN2 reaction, nucleophile attack carbon atom from opposite side of functional group, means opposite side of halogen atom. Okay, but in the SN1 reaction, no halogen group are present on substrate because in first step halogen group are removed and form carbocations. So OH nucleophile attack with carbon at both sides. Okay, clear? Next example. The carbocations formed in step first can undergo rearrangement to give more stable carbocation, and nucleophile attacks to the carbocation in step 2 to form corresponding product like alcohol. Always when forming of carbocations are done, so carbocations are rearranged to a one molecule for a stable carbocations. Okay, after that it react with nucleophile. ओके, ऐसे समझें, जब कार्बोकैटायंस का फॉर्मेशन होता है तो वो कार्बोकैटायंस पहले कंपाउंड्स में दोबारा से अरेंजमेंट करते हैं एक स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में कि वो खुद एक स्टेबल कंपाउंड में बन सकें. उसके बाद वो न्यूक्लियोफाइल के साथ रिएक्शन करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी. स्टेप फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज CH3 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 C CH2I. Here halogen atom attached with this carbon atom means primary carbon atom. Okay, clearly. But in first step carbocations are formed. Okay, this step is slow. Iodine atom means halogen atom are removed from here, so carbocations are formed. Carbocations are formed at that carbon atom. Okay, let's see. It is the primary carbon atom, so it is primary carbocations. CH3 CH3 C CH3 CH2. जब यहाँ से हेलोजन निकल के गया है तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज का किस पाएगा, इसी कार्बन एटम पाएगा. ओके, अब यहाँ से ये चार्ज एक स्टेबल कार्बन एटम के पास जाएगा, एक स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में कन्वर्ट होगा। ओके, जैसे 2 मिथाइल 1,2 मिथाइल शिफ्ट्स this carbon atom or maybe this carbon atom or maybe this carbon atom are shift to this carbon atom and charge shift at central carbon atom. Okay, let's see. CH3 CH3C CH2 CH3 means this carbon atom are shift at this carbon atom. So positive charge are shift at this. So carbocations are form a stable configuration means tertiary. Okay, tertiary is more stable. Okay, it is the more stable carbocations. Clear? ऐसे समझें, जब कार्बोकैटायंस का फॉर्मेशन होता है तो पहले वो कार्बोकैटायंस एक स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, उसके बाद न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करता है इन सेकेंड स्टेप। ओके, स्टेप सेकेंड, दिस इज द अवर कार्बोकैटायंस कंपाउंड मीन्स सबस्ट्रेट, कार्बोकैटायन सबस्ट्रेट, पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट द टर्शियरी कार्बन एटम and nucleophile attack to substrate. This step is very fast. So OH group are always linked with the carbocations and form tertiary alcohol. Okay, it is a tertiary alcohol. Why tertiary alcohol? Because OH group link with tertiary carbon atom. It is a tertiary carbon atom. Why tertiary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom attached with other 3 carbon atom, so it is a tertiary carbon atom. Okay, and product is tertiary alcohol. Clear? Next, in SN1 reaction, racemization as well as inversion is observed. In this reaction, inversion and racemization both are observed. Means OH group link with either side. Okay, while in case of SN2, complete inversion takes place, which chiral carbon exists. Okay. Next point, SN1 reaction is favored by heavy means bulky groups on the carbon atom attached to halogen. That is, the order of reactivity is R3CX means tertiary alkyl halide is more reactive than comparison to secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide is more reactive than comparison to primary alkyl halide and simple. Okay, this is the decreasing order of reactivity. DO means decreasing order of reactivity, means decreasing order of reactivity. Okay, next, the reactivity in carbocation substrate is more reactive is benzyl then allyl, more reactive than tertiary reactive than secondary reactive than primary, and primary more reactive than methyl halide. It is also a decreasing order of reactivity. Okay, clear? Okay, next, difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. Okay, you already know about more and more SN2 and SN1 reaction, but we now further discuss about difference between SN2 and SN1 reaction. Okay, first point, in SN2 reaction, it complete in one step, but SN1 complete in 2 step. Okay, Why SN1 is complete in two steps? In first step to form carbocations and second step for attacking of nucleophile. Okay. It is the second order reaction. SN2 is the second order reaction because rate of reaction depend on nucleophile and substrate both, or rate directly proportional to substrate and nucleophile. Clear? Next, second point in SN1, it is first order reaction or rate directly proportional to substrate. Okay, it is a bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular, why bimolecular? Because rate of reaction depend on two components, means substrate and nucleophile. So it is a bimolecular reaction. It is a unimolecular. Why? Because rate of reaction depend on only substrate. Okay. The nucleophilic attack the carbon of the substrate exclusively from the backside. SN2 रिएक्शन में न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऑलवेज अटैक करता था बैक साइड से, बट इन SN1 रिएक्शन न्यूक्लियोफाइल कैन बी अटैक बैक साइड और फ्रंट साइड बोथ. द न्यूक्लियोफाइल कैन अटैक द कार्बन of the substrate both side. Okay, next point, complete inversion takes place in SN2 reaction. Inversion and retention takes place simultaneously. इसमें आपका न्यूक्लियोफाइल बोथ साइड से अटैक करता है, इसलिए इसमें इन्वर्जन एंड रिटेंशन बोथ इक्वली मिलते हैं. The reactivity of halides is iodine is more reactive then bromine, bromine is more reactive than chlorine, chlorine is more reactive than fluorine. You also known as reactivity of halogens are increases up to down in the group. Okay, and in case of SN2, CH3 is more reactive, means methyl, then comparison to primary, and primary is more reactive than secondary and secondary more reactive than tertiary. Okay, the reactivity of halides is halogen reactivity is both same in SN2 and SN1, but the substrate की बात करें तो tertiary is more reactive than secondary, secondary is more reactive than primary, and primary more reactive than methyl. Okay, be carefully study about the SN2 and SN1 reaction. Both topic is very important. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.